What we do here is go back.
Happy V-Day, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Saint Massacre's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, Shell Zelda here, and I'm back with my little update on my hair. Don't ask why I'm speaking with a British accent. I did fill my hair up and it looks so much more better. I kind of wore it like this to work. Actually, I had it more twisted. And I twisted this side and I pulled it back like that. It looked really nice, but because I want to show you how it looks full, I have to take it down. And now I fully finished my hair. Let me show you how it looks. I think it looks very nice, don't you agree? It's nice and full. Pull it back. So I think it looks nice. It's much more fuller. I'll stand up. Show you. I'm wearing my pink shirt. I feel girly in this shirt. It's Valentine's Day. I got my nails did. Y'all like my nails? Can y'all even see that? Got the sparklies with the heart. I wanted to wear the pink shirt because it's Valentine's Day. Do I have a Valentine's? No. Well, whatever. I'm alright with it. But it looks a lot fuller. I'll show you the back, how it's settled. I have to stand on my tippy toes because you can't really see the ends of my hair. So let me try to lift it up and show you. And this is how it's looking. I just got home from work, so I was like, let me do a quick little update video. So I ended up using the 7-pack, the rest of the 7-pack, I'm sorry. I used 7 whole packs for this desired look. And I'm so glad I added more, especially in the front. I wish I could have did the cornrows a little bit better. It probably would lay a little bit more to my desire, but you know what? I'm overly picky and blah blah. I used 7 whole packs on my hair to get this look. And I actually really like it. It's very nice. And of course I'll come back with the styles in like an update video, like within a month or 2. I would like to try to keep this in for at least 2 months. At least 2 months, okay? I'm probably gonna redo my edges because that always gets loose. I do not do tight knots. I ain't about that life. I'm not trying to lose my little bit of edges that I have. So my knots always, my braids always end up sliding out because I don't do the knots overly tight. But I'll come back with my update video and show you the styles that I tried to do. I used to do more styles when I was younger, but now that I'm older, I get a little lazy. And plus I realized the more styles you do, the looser the hair will become, especially the perimeter. But I will be back and show you the update video on how this is starting to look. I think it'll look nice. I'm all dressed up and dolled up with nowhere to go. Now I'm about to go edit a video. Hopefully you guys will watch my comedy video. It's just me doing the YouCam fun, some weird, random, silly comedy. Don't ask. I like to do random weird stuff. I'm a weird girl. I mean, what can I say? But anyway, guys, this was just my little quick update on how it looks with 7 packs of hair. I think I'm done. I have 1 more pack of hair left, which is the 8th pack. I'm going to say that in case when these start sliding. Already 1 fell out, but I literally had no hair here. And don't mind the dry hair. I get dandruff as usual. But I literally had no hair right here and it fell out, but whatever. So I have that spare pack in case the perimeter, the individual box braids fall out. I am not combing this out and rebraiding it, alright? It's getting cut and thrown out. Or if it falls out, I'm throwing it out. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in my next hair, gaming, or comedy video. And thanks so much for watching. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Whether you're single, in a relationship, love yourself, love others, and stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Peace.